Hello everyone, welcome back to Smiley Kids. Today, let us take a quiz on ratio and proportion. There will be 10 seconds time to answer each question. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started. Moving to question number 1. Pick the odd one out. Option A 14:7 is as 18:9. Option B 15:5 is as 33:11. Option C 9:18 is as 1:2. And option D 13:26 is equal to 6:18. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the right answer is option D 13:26 is equal to 6:18. Moving to question number 2. If 8 men can do a work in 45 days, how long will 12 men take to do the same work? Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let us see the solution. Time taken by 8 men is 45 days. Let the time taken by 12 men be X. Number of men and time taken. Number of men are 8 and time taken is 45 days. Number of men are 12 and time taken is X. Now we need to multiply 8 into 45 and 12 into X. 12 into X is equal to 8 into 45. 12 into X is equal to 8 into 45 is 360. X is equal to 360 by 12. We need to transpose 12 to the right hand side. 12 ones are 12 30s are. Now X is equal to 30. Therefore, 12 men can take 30 days to do the same work. Moving to question number 3. The symbol for proportion is dash. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the right answer is double colon. The symbol for proportion is double colon. Moving to question number 4. Find the value of x in the proportion 11:2 is as x is to 6. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let us see the solution. For finding the value of x, we apply the formula product of means is equal to product of extremes. 2 into x is equal to 11 into 6. 2 into x is equal to 11 into 6, that is equal to 66. X is equal to 66 by 2. We need to transpose 2 to the right hand side. X is equal to 33. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 33. Moving to question number 5. What is continued proportion? Your time starts now. Your time is up and the right answer is 3 quantities A, B and C are said to be in continued proportion if A by B is equal to B by C. Moving to question number 6. The sides of the triangle are in the ratio 5:6:7. The perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeters. Find the sides of the triangle. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let us see the solution. Ratio of sides is equal to 5:6:7. Total of the terms of of the ratio is equal to 5 plus 6 plus 7, that is equal to 18. First side is equal to 5 is the ratio and the sum is 18 into the perimeter. 18 ones are 18 twos are. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. First side is equal to 10 centimeters. Second side, 6 by 18 into 36. 18 ones are 18 twos are. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Second side is equal to 12 centimeters. Third side, 7 by 18 into 36. 18 ones are 18 twos are. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Third side is equal to 14 centimeters. Therefore, the three sides of a triangle are 10 centimeters, 12 centimeters and 14 centimeters. Moving to question number 7. Find whether 5, 10, 7 and 14 are in proportion or not. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let us see the solution. For finding whether 5, 10, 7 and 14 are in proportion or not, we apply the formula product of means is equal to product of extremes. Extremes are 5 and 14 and means are 10 and 7. 10 into 7 is equal to 5 into 14. 10 into 7 is equal to 70 and 5 into 14 is equal to 70. Therefore, product of means is equal to product of extremes. Hence, 5, 10, 7 and 14 are in proportion. Moving to question number 8. If A is to B is equal to 25 by 7 and B is to C is equal to 14 is to 5, find A is to C. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let us see the solution. Given A is to B is equal to 25 is to 7 and B is to C is equal to 14 is to 5. A by B is equal to 25 by 7. B by C is equal to 14 by 5. A is to C is equal to A by C, that is equal to A into B by C. So, A by C is equal to 25 by 7 into 14 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 fives are. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. 5 twos are is 10. 1 ones are is 1. Thus, A is to C is 10 is to 1. Moving to question number 9. In the ratio P is to Q, P and Q dash be integers. Can or cannot? Your time starts now. Your time is up. And the right answer is cannot. In the ratio P is to Q, P and Q cannot be integers because Q cannot have the value of 0. Moving to question number 10. If 16, x and 25 are in continued proportion, find the value of x. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let us see the solution. Let the continued proportion be x. Then the proportion is 16 is to x is as x is to 25. We apply the formula product of means is equal to product of extremes. X into x is equal to 16 into 25. X into x is equal to 16 into 25 is 400. We need to take the LCM of 400. Here 2 is repeating 4 times and 5 is repeating 2 times. So 4's half is 2 and 2's half is 1. We need to multiply 2 into 2 and 5 into 1. X is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. X is equal to 2 into 2 is 4 and 5 into 1 is 5. X is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Therefore, the value of X is equal to 20. Keep your score in the comment section, and for the latest updates, please subscribe our channel Smiley Kids. Thank you for watching.